Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my skin using only Korean beauty secrets for a week. Glass-like skin, it's the holy grail of skincare goals in Korean beauty culture. And for good reason. Who wouldn't want a complexion that's as smooth and luminous as glass? But what does it really take to achieve this coveted skin type? Today, I'm excited to share with you some of the most effective Korean beauty secrets that can help you get one step closer to that radiant, glass-like glow. We've all been there, waking up to dull, lackluster skin that looks more like a dull, tired mess than a radiant, awake complexion. And let's be real, it's not just about aesthetics. Dull skin can be a real confidence killer. Whether it's uneven texture, large pores, or just an overall lack of brightness, there are so many common skin issues that can hold us back from achieving that coveted glass-like skin. But here's the thing, it's not just about genetics or bad luck. So often, these issues can be rectified with the right skincare routine and a few simple lifestyle tweaks. The question is, what are the key changes we need to make to our daily routines to start seeing real results? From clogged pores to dryness and hyperpigmentation, there are so many factors that can stand in the way of achieving that glass-like glow. And the truth is, it's not just about using the right products, it's about understanding how to use them, and how to combine them with other effective techniques to maximize their impact. So, what are the Korean beauty secrets that can help us achieve this coveted skin type? From double cleansing to exfoliating, and from masks to serums, Korean skincare routines are all about layering different techniques and products to achieve a glowing, radiant complexion. And the best part, you don't have to be a skincare expert to start seeing real results. One of the most significant game changers in my own skincare routine has been incorporating a good quality essence into my daily routine. These potent, concentrated serums are designed to penetrate deep into the skin, delivering a concentrated dose of active ingredients that can help to brighten, smooth, and firm the skin. And the best part? They're so easy to use. Simply apply a few drops to your face and neck, and let the magic happen. Another key secret to achieving that glass-like glow is mastering the art of exfoliation. From physical exfoliants like scrubs and peels, to chemical exfoliants like alpha-hydroxy acids and beta-hydroxy acids, there are so many effective ways to remove dead skin cells, smooth out rough texture, and reveal a brighter, more radiant complexion. And the key is to find the right exfoliant for your skin type, whether you're dealing with dryness, sensitivity, or acne-prone skin. But here's the thing, even with the right products and techniques, it's easy to get stuck in a rut. That's why one of the most impactful secrets I've learned is the importance of switching up your skincare routine regularly. Whether it's trying out a new product, or simply adjusting the frequency of your exfoliants, shaking things up can be a great way to keep your skin looking fresh, radiant, and above all, glass-like. So, what's the most impactful secret I've learned on my own skincare journey? For me, it's all about the power of facial massage. This simple, easy-to-learn technique can be a total game-changer for achieving the coveted glass-like glow, and the best part? It's totally free. By combining facial massage with a consistent skincare routine, I've seen a real difference in my own skin, from improved texture and tone, to a more radiant, smooth complexion. And the best part? It's so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply take a few minutes each morning and night to massage your face, and let the benefits unfold. In today's video, we've covered some of the most effective Korean beauty secrets for achieving that coveted glass-like glow. From the importance of skincare routines, to the power of facial massage, we've explored some of the key techniques and products that can help you get one step closer to radiant, luminous skin. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own favorite skincare tips and secrets. If you're looking for more content on skincare routines and products, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be diving deeper into the world of Korean beauty.